Welcome to Phoenix Trading. Here we are again seeing the Nifty weekly outlook. So last week, Nifty is into range. There is nothing much to observe. It's just a range bound play, but it's totally like it's fair because Nifty has run so much now. So it is totally fair. It needs to be calm for few days, and we have our support zone as well as our resistance zone also. So I guess for coming week, Nifty will hold support around 18 110 to 18,000. That is a round figure. So Nifty can hold this support and resistance will be around 18,500. So those who play range bound games in Nifty options or futures, and they can consider these two zones as a big resistance and big support. For swing trading, we need to see the sectors, what sectors are doing. So let's check out that also. Bank Nifty is also into mid territory. There is nothing now to say about anything because whenever anything goes into a lifetime high, then we need to wait that the script should create either support or a resistance, right? So right now is into a sideways move for 4 5 days or like last week. So we will be waiting if Bank Nifty should take support around 41,500. So 41,500 will be Bank Nifty support. So anything around this zone will be a buying opportunity. So we will see Bank Nifty taking support here on that. So it's like a Nifty only, totally sideways. Nifty metal, we will see if it is holding this uh, line of resistance, right? Earlier it was a resistance, then it gives a breakout. Now we need that as per the same magnitude, the Nifty metal also should take support around this zone. So looking at these three big sectors, we'll take the pharma also. Pharma is again given up this breakout one more time now. So anything around your pharma stock, as I said, just wait. Don't buy any new position. I am very defensive around pharma. So I am still on that view. I will not create a position in pharma unless and until this trend line will get taken up, right? Unless and until this trend line should beaten, I will wait in the pharma sector. So pharma is totally no for me. IT is looking good now. IT is holding its trend line. It's like this resistance, which is earlier resistance, now becomes support zone. This trend line also it's regained. So and approaching its resistance. This is a resistance. It is approaching now, right? So it's a channel now. So I will wait all the old study now. I will draw a new channel here to give you a clear idea, right? So this is a channel. Okay. So we need to wait that this channel should get break, right? Should get break at least somewhere. Most probably, as we are doing printed, we will require this channel will get upside breakout. So let's hope that this channel price will beaten this channel and like hold for few days. Like coming week, we will watch what IT is doing. So I'm like very hopeful on IT this time. So and this will be my stop loss in case it get again fail after breaking down. Right. So let's see that what will happen. FMCG is totally sideways. There is no movement happening at all. This is a big range and FMCG is playing into that zone. So, like coming 2 weeks, I won't see anything big happening in the market because all sectors are looking sluggish now. Like everyone, like every sector is ran in past like 2 weeks or like a one month. So now everything is looking slow. Everything is looking consolidation. Everything is looking sideways. So it will reflect the Nifty also. You will get most probably stock specific runs, but at this pace, I won't advise you to take new trades because there are like most of the sectors are either in the negative zone or in the sideways zone. See, this is 215. Small cap also doing nothing, totally into sideways move. Auto is kind of double top here. It has created a top, again it has created a top, and now it's given up, right? So this zone is a very important zone for auto, right? So I'm marking this zone now. If this zone get defended, then auto might get another run and it will break this channel, right? So currently it's near the support zone now. So it's okay to have anything if you are finding any auto stock or any chart good around here, like Mother Symphony is there. It is looking good. So for example, if you find any stock, then you can approach this kind of structure here. So auto is looking very okay to me. At least it is near our stop loss zone. PSU Bank is into a different territory. Like I can't believe this kind of run which is happening in the PSU Bank. But when I converted this into a monthly chart, then it's totally clear picture, right? It has given a really cool and really confirmed breakout of this trend line. Like it's a monthly trend line. So only sector I'm bullish is on PSU Bank. I just want a right good correction now here in the PSU Bank. If this correction get like defended, like if that price मतलब उसने वो प्राइस अगर ये डिफेंड कर लिया ट्रेंड लाइन देन आई विल फाइंड अ रियली गुड ट्रेड and I will add my position into PSU Bank. So PSU Bank is like a star sector for me in coming days. Energy also looking really good actually. It is a kind of forming a flag pattern here now, right? So this is a pole and this is a flag. So I need some kind of breakout into energy. So I'm shortlisting energy, PSU Bank. Midcap is doing, I will convert this into this. Midcap is doing again sideways, nothing much to say. It's totally making a triangle kind of pattern, right? So anyhow, it has a multiple supports also here. So currently it's into a sideways zone. There is nothing to talk about. India week, no, nothing to say. So like entire week is like totally sideways. There is nothing to be comment on. Look at this now, right? I told you clearly that I like Nifty dollar was at this point, and I told you I will wait to around this zone, and Nifty dollar will fly around this zone and again get rejection from here to the this level. So I won't find dollar will create a new high. It's just a bounce from here. So those who want to create a short positions now in the dollar index, they can create around this zone, and stop loss will be very little. And if this level like get again activated from the above level, then I will change my view and I will take a long position. So this zone is very important for me now. I'm waiting that this shouldn't be get out, but it's okay because I am shorting around this zone at very minimal stop loss, like very minimal stop loss, and again I am taking a long position if that stop loss get hit. So it is a do or die situation in the USD INR, but most probably I feel that it will take resistance from here. So this is a too much run one way. So let's see how it is playing out in the future. But the demand supply zone is working wonderfully, right? So those who want to learn demand supply, how it works, how to take swing trades, how to use volume, you are all welcome. Uh, then we have US market. US market is now into a really good position actually. Right? It has taken support around this trend line, and it is consolidation about happening above its trend line. So this is a really good structure actually. We got a breakout, like retesting like 1, 2, 3 times, then for fourth time we got a breakout, then it is holding its trend line. So it is a really good structure, and we can see a all-time high again around this level, the Dow Jones. So let's see how it will play out in future. So yes, that's it. That's it for the index, and we will see the few charts of swing trading in the coming week. First week is the Agarwal Industries chart. So Agarwal Industries holding. So the volume is clearly visible in the Agarwal Industries. Right? In this sector, volumes are there when the stock gets corrected. So it is purely this range now. Whenever the stock is coming around this level, we can see a volume, right? At this price, at this price, at this price. So someone is interested in this stock around 560 to 600 level, and stock is trading around 616. So I'm telling you in advance, if anything, a size, if you get that size around 590 or let's say 580, it's a really good buy into this stock. And the first target will be this resistance. So how much percent we are expecting? I will open a long position here. Let's say from 590. Okay. My stop loss will be this swing low, which is coming around 18%. So I will be eyeing for a 16% at least. And yes, I am getting here only. Like, and for this zone, we are almost getting 1:3 risk reward ratio. And the bigger target will be this zone. This zone will be the bigger target from here. It will be around 900 rupees. So there are uh, uh, like two targets here. First target is around 700 rupees and second target is around 900 rupees, which is coming around 50% return from here. So I am finding this stock very interesting, and the risk is around only around 8%. So plan your trade according to this. Next stock, I will convert it into this into a monthly chart. Okay. I have suggested this stock is around 140 rupees in my swing trading paid call, and we are already gaining really good from it. We did a two trade. First, we bought at 140 level, we sold around 159. Again, we collected that stock around 150, and now again it is trading around 170 rupees. So we got a really good two trades now, but I am now holding for a longer term. Why? Because I can see a really good volume whenever the stock is trending around this zone, and after that, stock has given a good breakout, and again 17-month consolidation. That is a huge consolidation period is happening, and now stock is approaching its breakout level again, right? So it is really good to see if anything you are getting into this stock around 158 level, 159, 160 level will be really good opportunity to accumulate this stock. And we are expecting more 37% upside from here, which is just this range I am just marking out here. So 240 will be my range into this stock. So Reddington is in my radar. Then third stock is a Welcome. I will go to a weekly chart for this stock. So we find a really good volume here. So I have marked this level. I just mark this level. Correct? So someone is accumulating this stock into this range. Stock has given breakout here. Again, it came into this range, and someone is accumulating now the above. So volumes are really good around here. So if anything, you can open position here with the stop loss of this swing low. The stop loss will be this around 200 level, right? The stock is at 238. The stop loss is little more in this case, but target is also really good from it. So I am calculating stop loss is mostly around 15%. So I am taking 30% target here. So let's open a long position. Where is coming 30%? 1:2. Yeah. So 300 will be my target, which is not unrealistic. Yeah. It is almost a high of this weekly candle. So here I can comfortably get 30% into this trade. It is totally achievable. So on Monday I will try to take positions, but I will take positions step by step. I will not deploy entire my capital into this 38 to 38 level. I will try to accumulate around 220 to 230 levels. So this will be my accumulation zone. And stop loss will be 200 on a weekly close basis, weekly closing basis. That is the important thing. Okay. And then the next stock, Last. Okay. This is also a really good fundamental company, and I can see a really massive volume here, right? And entire volume is getting like this kind of candles showing the selling pressure, right? Someone is selling continuously, still stock is holding and observing all those sellings, which is a really appreciable, right? So someone is accumulating this stock regardless of selling, and this zone is of a selling zone, and this is a trend line. So anything, any breakout around above this zone of 120 will be a really nice opportunity for swing. So keep watch on this stock, and target will be, first target will be 140 and second target will be 160. And stop loss will be this trend line swing low. Okay. Then Ujjivan Small Finance is also looking good after giving a breakout. Do this on a daily basis, right? So few days back, actually, I already like show you this chart. Like this is a good opportunity, right? That time also I told you like buy around 25, and after 25 the stock is went already to 30. So one swing trade already happened, which gave me around 18 to 20% here. 25, yes, sorry, 25 level. Already 18% we captured, and again it is giving opportunity. So what is the opportunity point? This is opportunity point, right? 25 again. Exact point will be 25.80. Okay, it's 26 rupees. Why? Because this trend line is there and this resistance zone will be there. So where they are meeting, that will be my buying point now. And waiting the stock will be come here and again give a good run around 35 rupees to 40 rupees. My next target will be. So this is also a good stock. You can like watch this chart also, and volumes are good. So nowadays I am more focusing on volume, and my trading strategy I already disclosed to everyone, those who are subscribed, and they are now enjoying this trade. They are backtesting a lot, and they are messaging me that, sir, yes, this is a working, and this has a logic. This is not a something like out of air I'm telling them. It has a proven strategy. It has a very like a common sense how a common man should follow a big trader. That is a simple thing I have shown in this like strategy. And after like it is available right now only just for 999 rupees. And after December, it will be cost around 3000 rupees. So those who are really interested, they can contact me. I will show them how to trade. So yes, that's it for the week. And we will meet again next week with a new concept, some new thoughts and new insight for the market. Thank you. Thank you very much.